Thank you. Is Ram on the call?
Yes, he is on the call. 1 minute, check him. Yeah, hello, Mr. Ram. Am I audible to you? One minute, let me call him. Yeah, hello, Ram. Am I audible?
Hello.
Yeah, hello, Ram. I
Hey,
think
hi.
like there was
I'm
some
sorry.
network issue. Yeah, you are
Yeah.
audible now. Yes, yes.
Is it audible now?
Yes,
Is
yes,
that right?
it's audible. Yes,
Sorry.
yes.
Yeah.
So here you can see Mr. Arjun and Raji are there. So you can discuss with them and you can just proceed for the demo.
Hey, hi, Arjun. Hi, Raji. Good morning.
Hi, Ram. We are part of the learning and development team at Movate Technologies,
Okay.
and we have as given in the list of topics, we have a requirement in Snowflake, and
Okay.
we are training basically people who have some SQL knowledge who are already working on Salesforce, and for them, they would need this Snowflake training so that they can handle tickets and issues related to Snowflake as well. Now,
Uh,
if you can probably start with your introduction and tell us what kind of Snowflake trainings you've handled and so on.
yes.
Based on that, we can probably take the discussion forward.
Yeah, sure. Well, my name is Ram. People already know. So I was there in 12 plus years of experience in industry. So off of my career, I will be working in Snowflake. So I'll be kind of analytics and data engineering space. Mostly I'll be working in across multiple all top MNCs. I have worked in multiple projects. Coming to the training, so I'll be as a I'm always is kind of interested in training, so I'll be taking the internally organization level, given multiple corporate training batches, like kind of a Snowflake advanced level, intermediate level, and then basic level kind of stuff. So in my career, if you are looking kind of a data engineering space, right, data engineering space is not relevant to a particular skill set. So more than 7 plus, I would say, working in a Snowflake space. So end-to-end projects, like a kind of multiple on-prem migration projects, and one kind of multiple end-to-end projects we have implemented in the Snowflake way in my workspace where I have worked. So the training I have given I would say number, I cannot say, but internally, if you are looking for the corporate, wherever I'll be working, I have worked in HCL and TCS, Infosys. So I used to give whoever is hiring as a freshers batch, whoever is kind of bringing to the Snowflake projects as a corporate trainer. And externally in freelancing also have delivered the trainings for multiple organizations. So I was just looking more forward, like based on our inputs I can design the training, and I can plan accordingly what is the expectation from the people and you people. So based on that we can plan it.
Do you have a standard TOC for this requirement? Because I had already shared, I think Raji from my team had already shared the list of topics that had to be
Yes,
covered.
yes, yes, I have
Do
received
you
that.
have a TOC based on?
Yes, so I have received that curriculum. So is it, this is, I thought like it is a general conversation, so you like you want any kind of a demo, or you want kind of any brief overview, I can plan for that. But what I got information, is it just a kind of a general conversation? I just want to understand the expectation from the people. So that's where that is what my understanding basically. But the curriculum part, yes, of course I have received that.
See, in terms of conversation, we want to, because without the curriculum from you,
Okay.
all I can say is the focus area will be more on the SQL part. Raji, can you probably explain that aspect, where the
Uh,
focus area should be?
yeah. The focus area should be on SQL and the query execution. I hope you have the list of topics, and when the list of topics has been shared, uh, almost all the modules need to be covered in depth. So when we say in depth, we have NoSQL, we have query execution, and all those should be covered in a with more hands-on. So we expect you to cover hands-on for all the topics that we actually share. But to mention exact topics on which we require more hands-on, it would be on SnowSQL. That is where we wanted to have it. So if at all you have your the list of topics that we have shared, you could have it shared, or if you don't have, let me share it. If you have it, you can share it. I could possibly walk through the topics that I have shared it.
Give me a minute. So I have it in, let me bring that notepad.
Okay, Ram, let me cover. You can make a note of it if you're not having it handy.
I just bring it. Sorry, actually, I was not aware of this. So otherwise, I would have been come up the curriculum. So I just copy and pasting that details in the notepad. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the topics I have received. But I have that curriculum where I have given the training. Maybe I can come up with those details. So I
Yeah,
thought
yeah.
this is like
We need the proper curriculum from you, and
Mhm.
where the focus will be more on SQL query writing and
SQL query writing, yes. SQL query writing.
updation, insertion.
And
Sorry, yeah. It will
the
have
second one is entirely connecting to Snowflake. You can have all the three highlighted.
yeah.
Yep. So, and SQL support in Snowflake. So, the last module completely. So, we need you to give more exercises on these areas.
Sure.
So, it doesn't mean that we are not
No,
concentrating
no,
on
no.
the other
I got it.
topics. We
I got
need
it.
that.
Yep.
So, you could probably come up with more exercises or more focus on these modules would help us.
Yeah. Sure.
So that's our requirement, Ram.
Yep.
Once you have a TOC ready, and in terms of scheduling, probably Mohsin can take a note. We would be able to provide 3 hours of training duration during the weekdays because
Mm.
all the engineers are in production environment. So
Mm.
for weekdays, it would be 3 hours per day. Maybe we can cover a Saturday full day, 8 hours.
Okay.
So depending on your availability, Ram, we can probably work with Mohsin so that we can get a tentative schedule to start the training at the earliest.
Yep.
And apart from that, yeah, I think that's it we have from in terms of inputs from our end. And if you can come up with a TOC that will help these guys, understand the basics and then do a deep dive on some of the topics we mentioned, and right, so that would be helpful.
Yep.
And based on that, we can take it further.
Arjun, I just wanted to have this. We have the certification, like Snowpore Core certification, right? Can we ask the trainer to come up with a curriculum that aligns with that certification?
Yeah, yeah.
Because
So
possibly
see,
we'll
I
have
believe
covered other topics
unstructured.
in it.
Yeah, just check whether there are some aspects of the you're aware of the certification, yes?
Yep. Yep.
Have you taken up that certification
Yeah.
yourself?
I'm Snow Pro certified. Yes.
Okay, so based on, see, there might be a requirement, not a client requirement per se, but
Mm.
internally we might want to have some of these people do a certification, though it's not a primary requirement. It's only
Mm.
secondary. If at all somebody is interested and
Yep.
they want to do that. So just check if you can align the curriculum to that also, maybe even highlight the topics that may not fit our requirement, but you still added because it's part of the Snow Pro Core certification. And based on that, maybe if you can align, but that's not mandatory. If you feel some of the aspects of the certification don't align with our requirements, because our requirements don't go beyond this.
Yep.
So I leave it to you
Yep.
and check if that can be an added advantage also.
Okay. So I have like usually what I delivered as part of the training. Maybe if you want to, that might need to be kind of a small kind of tweak is required, because right, the training it will be based on the people expectation. The Snowflake is a vast subject, so it is a kind of a, now it is landing into the AI and ML and all. So I have, there is a kind of a good enough knowledge where I have delivered. If you want, I can show you that. But this is, I'm sorry, I was not aware of this is kind of a
No problem, Ram. We'll wait for you to share the revised TOC.
yep.
And based on that, I would like you to include the duration for each module and arrive at the overall duration so that we know what depth you are also covering. And also, wherever possible, please include the hands-on lab or hands-on exercises that you would provide. Now, would
If
you be able to provide a hands-on environment for the
yeah, yeah,
participants?
yeah. So
Okay.
if you have another couple of minutes, maybe let me show you that a glimpse. Then you will get some idea. Based on that, we can pick out accordingly. So basically, if you see wherever we are mentioned, I have mentioned here that lab exercise. Everything will be all the lab exercises. So basically, in order to understand the Snowflake, brief overview about the data warehouse is required. This is a kind of a general complete curriculum. Um, Based on our people understanding, we can tweak accordingly. I can summarize this and I can share another POC for us based on our topics. So like if you see all the Snowflake related, whatever data handling, I mean data manipulation we are doing in the Snowflake by using a SnowSQL, everything it will be kind of an hands-on session. So I'll be giving a complete walkthrough, like we can create the Snowflake trial account, people already know. So in that I'll be doing each and every session all these hands-on sessions, SQL related stuff, everything is hands-on sessions. So this is one session is basically 1 hour per se, but based on our schedule, we can combine multiple sessions. So this is basically 45 sessions.
Okay.
So these all are lab sessions. Everything is lab sessions.
Okay. Fair enough.
Yeah. So everything,
So,
whatever we are dealing in the Snowflake objects related stuff, everything is a hands-on sessions.
okay. Fine. Got it.
Yep.
So please do tweak this based on our requirement, as we've
Yep.
told you.
Yep.
And once you share that POC, we'll probably take the next step. So I'll share it with our delivery team. If
Yep.
they're okay, then we'll take the next call. Okay.
Sure.
I think that's all from my end, Ram. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Thanks again.
Thank you, Mohsin.
Thank you, Mohsin.
Bye.
Bye.
Right. Yeah, okay, Raji. Fine.
Thank you, Mohsin.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Ram, we can discuss on call.